Hello, in this video we'll show you how to share Canva to Instagram. First, open the Canva app on your mobile device. Then log in by choosing your Google account or any other account to continue. Now select the design you want to share. You can choose from your recent designs if you've already created something. Once you have your design open, tap on the share icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, from the options that appear, tap on More to see additional sharing options. In the list, find and tap on Instagram. Here you'll see the option to post immediately. Tap on this to continue. Then tap on Continue and Canva will start preparing your design for Instagram. Once it's ready, you'll have the option to crop your photo to fit Instagram's layout. Adjust the crop as needed. Then tap on the arrow in the top right corner to go to the next step. Now you can select a filter to give your image a unique look. After that, tap on Next. Finally, tap on Share to post your design on Instagram. And there you go, your Canva design is now live on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy to follow tips and tricks.